Madra to the fullest.
It's your boy Kingston.
Prof on the beat.
Malimona Lapa, with all my sins and all my problems. Bakalu Jaja, yeah. Matambuziko, but Richa Guma, it'll be alright, yeah. But I swear I try. Why Richie die? Why Muchi die? Muchi ndita kudai, but I try. Why Richie die? Why Muchi die? Muchi ndita kudai, yeah. Ongu muntu wesa munu, everybody. Wake up in the morning trying to get that money. Try to get help for somebody, but everybody seems to be stressing about it. Sweet, work, how much you gonna need? They can't handle me, I swear I ain't get this calling. Born, raised, trained for war, but now I'm ready for combat. So tell me, how much you want? All these poems that I write got me sinking every time. They important to my life. It's what my happiness desires. These memories close to me, the diaries of a black sheep, my inner peace, my inner peace. The struggle is real for the dollar bill. Some people deal, steal, and even kill just to pay bills. Daddy passed when I was 4. I'm a father figure of my own, and every place I called home was never my own. Malimona Lapa, with all my sins and all my problems. Bakalu Jaja, yeah. Matambuziko, but Richa Guma, it'll be alright, yeah. But I swear I try. Why Richie die? Why Muchi die? Muchi ndita kudai, but I try. Why Richie die? Why Muchi die? Muchi ndita kudai, yeah. You left me when I was 4, headed for the coast. Can't explain the pain no more, it's so strong. You left me when I needed you the most. Ain't a surprise you did, they hated you for too long. Cause you never paid allegiance to where it didn't belong. You was about to hustle, never smiling, but people always wanted you to do wrong. Wanted to do you wrong, but they'd always learn a lesson, never to do you wrong. Daddy, you was an animal, I can't blame you. The only reason they killed you was cause they couldn't tame you. But I'm a spitting image of you, for them it's bad news that I'm just like you, but only brand new.
Madra to the fullest.